Hello everyone, welcome back to the Onyx Automotive YouTube channel. So this vehicle is coming here today for a front end PPF, which is going to cover the front bumper, both wings and the bonnet, and it's also having the rear bumper paint protected also. So right now it's going to go out into the bay, get decontaminated, and then we're going to show you the PPF process. So there you go, the rear bumper has been paint protected as well as the entire front end from the bumper, both wings and the bonnet as well. If you guys are interested in having your car paint protected, make sure you go down into the description, check out our website and check out all the packages we have to offer. If you like these kind of videos that you're seeing right now, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and check out the other videos that we've done on PPF as well. We've done loads of videos on PPF and detailing and more, so make sure you go check them out on our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.